Yeah, good morning, guys. Yeah, I want to let you know one two particular stuff that is like water. Oh, it has two types. Now, what I'm talking about is acid. We have two type of acid. We have a diluted acid, and we have a conc acid. Now, I want to reflect it into a life. We have deep bad friends or deep bad gossiper, and we have medium bad friend and medium bad gossiper. What did I really mean? What I mean is that when you say, oh, my friends are good, I'm going to leave them, I'm going to leave everybody, and you want to make a new friend, everybody's same thing. But the old friend that know about you, that have been playing with you from your childhood, that knows your story, that can play with your story, than the new friend that you want to go join now, that doesn't know anything about you. Guys, you need to think wise. Let's try, maintain, manage what we have, and let's leave everything to God. By you managing what you have, you togetherness, you can make things happen. So what I'm saying is that the bad friend that I hold, that is the diluted acid. Those are the acid that will fall on you and you will not feel it. But the new friend that you want to go make, that is a raw acid. Trust me, if anything happens suddenly, they feel up. And once the conc acid fall on you, hey, I'm sorry, that's the end of it. So let's be wise. Don't neglect your friends that you have in the hold, and you say you want to go make new friends. That's what I'm trying to say. Making new friends, be wise about it. They don't know anything about you, but your old friends know a lot about you. So let's be wise. Thank you.